Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another exciting tutorial with UXmate. Today we're going to learn how to create the gradient over an image. There are different ways to create this. One simple way is basically you create a rectangle on top of the image, but that basically has a lot of hassles unnecessarily. So let's learn how to create a quick gradient on the image. But before that, make sure you have already subscribed to the channel, hit that bell icon next to it. I have an image here, so I'll select that. I'll go to the field. Already there is image, you can see, and when you click on the plus button, you can select any color which you want as an overlay for this image. You can use the gradient from here, and you can select the different colors which you want of your gradients, right? And you can change the percentage of the field. So as of now it is 20%. You can increase or decrease this. So based on your requirements, you can create such amazing images in Figma.